Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Alright guys, so I'm in Macros, right? Macro in Greenwich. There's my dad. Say hi. Say hi.
Oh, hi.
Say hi to the vlog.
Sorry.
Oh look guys, look what I've seen. I'm in Macros and look, lobster. Lobster guys. There is a lobster. Yeah. Check that out. Lobster, lobster. Look at that. How much they are. Price. That's the price. That's fascinating. I've never seen this in here before, maybe I just missed it. But yeah, we're in Macro just getting some stuff for my grandma's funeral. So yes guys, as you know, I'm in London because my grandma passed away. So we're just getting some stuff. We're in Macro just picking up some food stuff, just preparation for the funeral. Yes. Macro is like a big, Macro is like a, it's like a Costco almost. Yeah, you know Costco. Macro is like that. You get everything in bulk, food, drinks, everything like that. You can get in bulk. And so today is the funeral of my grandma. We're laying her to rest. I mean, it's a sad occasion, of course. But I think my stance is that I'm celebrating her life. She was 85 years old. She had a good life, a simple life, but a good life. And, you know, to get to 85 is, you know, it's a blessing, right? I think the Bible promises us 70, which is 70 years old. So I think anything over that is truly a blessing. You know, she had some health complications. She had, I think, 3 heart attacks, triple bypass surgery years ago, and still managed to get through that, live through that. You know, she passed away in her sleep peacefully. And so, you know, I'm here to celebrate her life as much as it's a sad occasion. And I'm just celebrating her life, and it's a time to reflect and think about all the things that she meant to us and all the things that she instilled in us. I actually think my love of Jamaica probably came from her as well. I remember being 10 years old and going to Jamaica with my grandma and my dad. You know, I'd always hear about Jamaica. My grandma always spoke about Jamaica and back home. And I think I came to Jamaica for about 6 weeks with her. And just being in the environment that she always spoke about, you know, it was country, so I lived in that country life for 6 weeks. And yeah, just seeing how happy she was there and learning. And, you know, she was there, she looked after me while I was there. And so, yeah, it's, you know, it's all the fun memories, right? And there are so many of them. I remember going to work with my grandma in the evening. She would take me to work with her when I was like about 9 or 10. So I think, you know, she instilled in me hard work, you know, as well. And so, yeah, that's why I say it's a celebration of life, just to think about all of the things that she accomplished, the love that she had. She was such a sweet and gentle lady. Like, anybody that met her would say she's just lovely and sweet, always smiling, loved company, loved her family. And so today we lay her to rest, and I just want to say, Grandma, well, I call her Nan. So she's Nanny Sister A to me, that's what I call her. So Nanny Sister A, we thank you for everything. Thank you for all you've done. You know, your memory will live on forever. We celebrate your life today. We celebrate your achievements. We celebrate the fact that you came to England in the 60s. You worked so hard to build a life for your 2 children that you then sent for. My grandma was actually an electronic engineer. I only found that out recently. How amazing is that? She used to build parts for British Airways and other avionics and stuff like that. So we thank you for everything. We have the memories and we love you, and thank you.
Oh dear. Morning.
Morning. guys, I had the privilege of singing at my grandma's funeral, and I wanted to share that with you. So I've uploaded it. You're going to see it now, me singing at my grandma's funeral, paying a tribute to her. Please forgive the quality. It was recorded live, but the quality didn't come out so great. But yeah, I just wanted to share this little part with you. The song that I sang is a very traditional song called Pass Me Not. I'm going to put the words on the screen as well, as I'm singing along to it. So guys, I hope you enjoy this. And yeah, like I said, it was just a little tribute that I did for my grandma at the funeral, at the service. So I hope you enjoy. It's the next day after the funeral. My grandma had an amazing send-off. It was so nice. It was so good to see family members and friends I haven't seen for years and years and years. And you know, this is the thing with funerals, isn't it? It allows people to connect and allow you to see people you've not seen for a long time. But it was nice to reconnect with family members, especially people who travelled from different parts of England to come down to London to celebrate the life of my grandma. And it was just like, it was just an amazing day. It was just from start to finish, it was just an amazing day. It was a beautiful, beautiful send-off. And yeah, I'm just so happy and glad that I was able to be a part of it, and that I was, you know, that I'm here in the UK to take part in it, to celebrate, and yeah, again, just to see family members. So yeah, it was good. It was a good send-off. Lots of food left over. I'm going to my parents' house now to go and eat up some of that food. That good rice and peas and fish from yesterday. Yeah, the leftovers. So my dad's coming to pick me up. I'm going over there to go fill my belly right now. But yes, people, yesterday was a beautiful day overall. Yeah. So, and thank you to some of you who know I'm here and you've kind of reached out to me and you've passed on your condolences and wished me all the best. Thank you so much for your kind words and your kind messages. Thank you so much.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.